Bring out the true. Do you need me to? You need to tie off onto me or something, hon?
No.
Ah, how'd you get there?
Drifted this way.
Uh-huh.
Didn't really scare you, did I?
No. Oh, stay on there. Oh, stay on there. Oh, stay on there. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Huh?
Bored?
Nah. Oh yeah, he wanted that. Look at that. Here we go. He might be about a pound, maybe a pound and a half. First fish of the day. Thank you, fish. Thank you, Lord, for the fish.
Are these carp out here jumping or catfish? You heard all that?
Carp.
Oh, they're carp?
Yeah. The big ones are carp.
Oh, okay.
Little things at the surface are minnows or white bass. The big ones are carp.
Yep. Hello.
Hello.
Stay on there. Stay on there. Oh yeah. Stay on there. Stay on there. Oh, don't you
Wow,
jump.
you got a big one there.
Yeah.
Good looking one.
Oh, and I don't have a net. Come on. Come on. Wear yourself out. Here we go.
What was that? Did you get a bass?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, you got your net?
Look at that big guy. Good looking fish.
Good bass.
Gonna let him grow up a little more.
Oh yeah. Yep, I'm catching these for sure.
As we drift right into you.
Oh,
Sorry.
you're good. Nah, it's all good. Nah, don't worry about it. No worries.
I'm gonna shove you. Actually, I'm probably gonna shove me back.
18.5 inches.
Nice.
18.5.
Yeah. 18.5 inches of.
What is that?
Rocky
Is that a
Fork
largemouth?
Yeah.
Damn, that's a nice fish.
Yep. He is 3.19 pounds.
3 pounds. And he looks bigger than that.
Yep. 3 pounder. Oh, quick release.
That's tournament size fish.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's definitely a good tournament size right there.
I think that's the biggest one I've seen caught out here this year.
Earlier in the year, I caught a 21 1/4 that weighed 6 pounds.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. There you go. Right in this cove here.
Just actually right around the corner.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yep. The first time ever in Ohio that a bass has pulled drag off a bait caster.
No way. That's big.
Uh-huh. I was definitely, I was like, oh, that's a big one. That's a big one.
Yep.
Oh, shoot. Haha. Don't you laugh at me. Don't you laugh at me.
Hey, it floats.
Just long enough for me to get it. Whew, thank you, Lord. Oh. I hope I got that on camera.
Gee, I think you'd be happier if you didn't.
What, get it on camera?
Yeah.
I don't know, people like to laugh at other people. So, as usual, no intro, no outro. So, give this video a like, give me a follow, share, comment, all that stuff that the algorithms like. Not for the big 3-pounder, for the epic fishing pole recovery. See you next time.